In this video, we will learn how to divide the number 2 by 500 using the long division method. See that 2 is less than 500. That is why we will borrow one zero. And for that, we need to put a decimal here. And again 20 is less than 500. That is why we will again borrow one zero. And for that, we need to put a zero here. Again 200 is less than 500. That is why we will again borrow one zero and we will again put one zero here. Now 500 times 4 is 2000. Subtract, we get 0. As we have got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 2 divided by 500 is equal to 0.004, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.